Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO K11 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if you want to force restart of your OPPO, all you have to do is to press power button along with volume up button, press and hold them, and once you feel the vibration and see the logo, you can remove your fingers from buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted. Then draw an unlock pattern, and that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.